Hey, I'm Sam Legrand, the EMEA Field CTO here at ControlUp. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you a use case that leverages our low-code, no-code tool called Workflows. In this demo, I'm going to show you how ControlUp can automatically provide a recommendation to your help desk when a new ticket is created. The main idea is to provide this recommendation inside their daily tools, the ITSM. For this example, I'm going to use ServiceNow. Let's start by the flow. As you can see, this flow is composed of different nodes, and I'm going to explain how this is working. The first node is, I would say, the most important because it's the one deciding when or how the flow is going to run. For example, you can run it like manually or via an API. On this use case, we will use a listener. The listener allows us to detect a new event in platform. The platform can be ControlUp, obviously, but it can be Jira or Charm, and obviously, as I'm going to show you today, ServiceNow. So here you can see that I decided to not filter anything. I will look only for the incidents, and whenever a new incident is created in my ServiceNow Acme.org instance, automatically the flow will run. Then I have like this node that is allowing me to retrieve the name of the machine because it's stored in the short description on this use case. I will go then to retrieve based on the name I can recollect from or detect from the first node, the device ID. And then as soon as I retrieve that, I can get the device performance. And you see that I can retrieve that here. I collect metrics about CPU, memory, disk space, disk queue length, etc., etc. I look at that for a period or duration of 1 day, and I'm going to collect averages and maximums. Then I'm going to use AI. The prompt is here. It's quite simple. I give the short description, provide the different performance metrics that I retrieved, and I ask to create a recommendation for the help desk user. And finally, I'm going to update the incident here. So the sys ID, which is the one that I retrieved from the start event, and then I can assign it or change the urgency of the ticket. But here, what's important is the comments. I will just show you how we can run that. And now let's have a look at how it looks like for the help desk. So I'm going to show you the ServiceNow platform. I can create a new ticket. If I select a caller, then a short description. With the description, fix my problem, as much detail that the user would give. And now we can submit that ticket. And as you see, it shows up at the state new and the planning priority. We can wait a few seconds. Now we can refresh. It should be here. Yeah, you see the priority change, the state as well. You can click on this incident. Obviously, we'll have like the CPU, which is elevated, memory and disk is adequate, so that's perfect. And the recommendation would be to use Enrich plugin that's popped up already. So let's click on that. And we should be able to see the peak of CPU that is there, and the processes that are consuming CPU are there. So like we have the receptionality.exe that is launched multiple times. The nice thing is we are not just able to show things, but we can react or do things. So obviously here I'm going to kill the process. To kill it, and see that I have 3 of them. In a few seconds, I should see only 2 of them after a few cycles. And here we are. So problem kind of solved. You see the CPU will start to slow down, or your usage will slow down. I hope you like this video. We'll provide you more information on more use cases around workflows. Thank you very much.